So, passive income versus residual income. What's better and what's the difference? Let's chat. Michael McCausland here. So, passive income usually comes in the form of an investment like real estate. You own the real estate, and then you have the ability to rent that real estate. That rent is your passive income, minus your expenses, and any left over. It would be money in your pocket. But there is a big downside, because vacancy will cost you money, and those expenses, they're going to continue. Fortunately, you have an alternative in residual income. Well, that's money you make over and over again on products or services that you create. The product could be a piece of music or art. It can also be services that you sell that people need to pay for every day. It's simple. You do the work once and connect the people to the services that they need, and then you get the residual income. Let's take a closer look. Passive versus residual. Risk versus reward. The big thing you have to remember here is that you have to know your risk tolerance. Your risk tolerance for passive real estate, that's got to be high because it's heavily leveraged. You have lots of personal responsibility and maintenance. And let's face it, those vacancies can really be a problem, which would lead to a lot of lost sleep. But residual income, there's a low upfront investment, which means there's a very low risk. You're paid what you're worth, and you don't have to do it all by yourself. As a matter of fact, you probably shouldn't. And then you get paid while you sleep. So, that's the best choice for people who have limited means at the beginning. You can still do the passive real estate eventually when you have the means and a higher risk tolerance. You can join me and we can talk about what I think is the best possible residual income opportunity. I do free workshops.
Yes, I said free workshops.
Which means I will not take any money for it. I don't want you to have any money or be prepared to pay for it. Just want you to listen and learn and ask questions. That's the most important thing that you have to do. And just remember that players get paid and others pay to watch players pay. So I hope to see you there, and thanks for watching.